Hey there Kinesthenics family, welcome back to the Kinesthenics channel. I'm Jada Kaur and today we are diving into the incredible world of kinesiology, a science that can transform the way you move your body and even your mind. So stick around because by the end of this video, you know the top 3 benefits of kinesiology and how to get started on your journey towards a better movement and a healthier you. So without further ado, let's start this video. So one of the benefits of kinesiology is enhancing your body awareness. So you learn how to listen to your body, understand its signal. This awareness can help you prevent injuries and fine-tune your workout for maximum results. So here I'm going to show you what it's like to implement kinesiology in your training. So kinesiology is about awareness, and I have this tape here called the kinesiology tape, which basically helps you to have a better focus of where you are activating your muscles, such that you can improve imbalances. So that's the second benefit. Improve your imbalances, muscle imbalances in your body, because it helps you to train that specific muscle with the mind-muscle connection in mind. So without further ado, let's try out. So basically this tape you can put wherever that you feel that your muscles are imbalanced or slightly weaker. So for me, I have an ACJ injury, that's why I use it on my left shoulder. And when you perform your exercise, kinesiology is all about awareness. So you don't want to rush the movement, but rather when I go to my handstand, I go slow. And I try to control every single movement. And I try to understand my body so that I can better. And so when you do kinesiology, do your push-ups, do your squats, whatever kind of movements that you are practicing, you must remember that it's more than just the quantity that you are doing, but it's the quality reps. That's why in kinesthenics, we always focus on quality reps. And yeah, when you focus on quality reps, you find yourself better in tune with your movement, and you are more grounded to take on newer challenges because you become comfortable with whatever that you are working on currently. So kinesiology is really that simple, and a lot of kinesiology practitioners, they just maximize these 2 techniques called the movement and energy flow. So when you understand how your energy flow, be it physical, emotional, nutritional, you can move your body with a better efficiency, with a clearer proficiency of what you are doing. And that's why it helps you with your mental strength as well, because when you flow with your movement, it allows you to be free in moving. And when you are free in moving, it also addresses the energy flow within your body. So that's why, a lot of successful entrepreneurs and figures out there, they always say that it is about getting your life right. And how do you get your life right? It's by doing exercises, about focusing on what is on the outside. Because when you focus what is on the outside, what is on the inside also will take a shift. And that's why, kinesiology is something that I'm passionate about. And I enjoy providing you guys personalized fitness and some healing solutions. And last but not least, the most powerful benefit of kinesiology is healing. When you create a personalized fitness and a healing solution, you allow your body to adapt and slowly grow. Whether be it you are someone that is very strong or someone who is just getting started, kinesiology can be for anyone, because kinesiology is all about catering your fitness and healing strategies to your unique needs. And it's like having a personal coach who understands your body inside and out when you practice kinesiology. So how does kinesiology work, right? At its core, kinesiology combines elements from various disciplines including anatomy, physiology, and even TCM. But ultimately, practitioners use muscle testing to identify muscle weakness or imbalances. So it's about understanding where the pain comes from. So when you understand where the pain comes from, you allow your body to slowly adapt, and you don't stop moving. In your life, when you stop moving, your body starts to get worse, your body starts to get tighter, and your life just generally gets more restricted. But when you practice kinesiology, constantly move around, you find your body to become more aware, your body to become more changeable and improving. So yeah, it really helps you to enhance your body awareness, your stress reduction, and as well as personalized fitness and healing. So if you are ready to take the next step on your journey to a better movement or a healthier mind, head over to kinesthenics.net right now, because we have got tons of resources, courses, and expert guidance to help you get started. So, but That being said, the academy is not yet fully out, so right now we are offering like VIP lists where you can join our VIP list, know when it will be out. And if you guys are interested to learn how to transform your body and your mind through kinesiology, we see you next time.